my stride. Lion of Judah, roar. Let your fire burn the night. In the battlefields of Babylon, we rise with righteous mind.
Jah Jah guide me, shield me through the stormy seas. In the trenches of Babylon, your love will set us free. Armor made of faith and a heart that's beating strong. With Jah light as my compass, I know where I belong.
Whispers of the serpent, but I chant the psalms aloud. Every step in Babylon, I tread on holy ground. Weapons forged in Zion, truth my sword, my shield. In the war of flesh and spirit, Jah's promise is revealed.
Jah Jah guide me, shield me through the stormy seas. In the trenches of Babylon, your love will set us free. Armor made of faith and a heart that's beating strong. With Jah light as my compass, I know where I belong.
When the walls shake and the chains try to bind, Jah's river flows eternal. Wash the dust from my mind. One love, one heart. In the struggle we unite. Babylon will crumble, and Jah's children see the light.